Farm Africa and SOS Sahel Ethiopia have launched a major new program working to sustainably conserve the natural forest, biodiversity and ecosystem in the Bale eco-region and associated landscapes in Guji and Borana zones of Oromia regional states in Ethiopia. The 4-year program called Forests for Sustainable Development, funded by the Royal Norwegian Embassy in Ethiopia, aims to reduce deforestation and biodiversity loss while also improving the household incomes and the resilience of the local community and improving governance for integrated landscape management. A launch event for the program is being held in Adama town in the presence of representatives from the community, donor, regional government and non-governmental organizations, research institutions, senior Farm Africa and SOS Sahel Ethiopia staff and the media. Ambassador of Norway to Ethiopia, Sten Christensen, on the occasion stated that the Norwegian embassy is happy to continue the partnership of the second project phase aimed at reducing deforestation, improving community capacity and sustainable livelihood.
We hope that with the valuable lessons from the Bale REDD+ pilot, OFLP will manage to achieve region-wide emission reductions, biodiversity conservation and improved livelihoods for forest-dependent communities. The Bale Mountains are unique, being one of 34 global biodiversity hotspots. As we all know, the area's watershed functions are also crucial for millions of people both inside and outside Ethiopia.
Ambassador said that protecting the beauty, ecosystem services, biodiversity and carbon stored in the Bale forests is important for the millions of people depend on it and the world. And an ambassador congratulated Farm Africa and SOS Sahel Ethiopia, the government and other stakeholders for the results achieved so far.
I would like to again congratulate Farm Africa and SOS Sahel, the government and other actors on the impressive results you have achieved so far. And the Embassy is looking forward to our continued cooperation on this new journey with the Forest for Sustainable Development project.
Deputy Director General of Oromia Environmental Protection Authority, Bona Yaddessa, stated that 1.8 million hectares of land in Oromia was covered by forest by participatory forest management cooperatives in which Farm Africa played lion's share. And the Deputy Director expressed his appreciation to the Farm Africa and Norwegian governments.
In Oromia, 1.8 million hectares was covered by PFM in this 23 years time. But the lion's share of from 1.8 million hectares, the lion's share goes to Farm Africa. So we have appreciation for Farm Africa. We have appreciation, and we as a regional government recognize Farm Africa in really performing well as per PFM guideline in the procedure in the past years.
Ethiopia Country Director for Farm Africa, Shawit Emmanuel, stated that as agricultural production increases, precious forest is being lost as smallholder farmers and forest communities clear land so they can grow more food and benefit from soil that have been exhausted. This deforestation results not only in carbon emissions but a loss of biodiversity, threats to water resources, and a rapid decline in agricultural productivity as soils are eroded.
You cannot protect the forest lowly without changing the life of the community lives around the forest, because they support their life from the benefits they get from the forest. We have been working with the government to balance these two needs and to bring sustainable solutions. The aim of the Forest for Sustainable Development program that will be implemented in 4 years is also the part of this goal.
The program will be implemented in collaboration with the regional government to align with the Oromia Forested Landscape Program. The €9.6 million program will reach a total of 55,677 forest-dependent households in 20 districts. Training will be provided to households to increase awareness of the impact of population growth on health and the environment, focusing on the pressure the increasing population places on forests. The program will develop economic opportunities for women, young people and forest enterprises to earn a living from sustainable activities such as the production and marketing of forest products such as wild coffee and the development of climate-smart agricultural enterprises.